So welcome to the episode 6 of Adobe After Effects. So in this tutorial we are going to be going into deeper depth of pen tool. So let's get started. So welcome to the tutorial everyone. So I'm gonna make a new composition and leave everything as default. Okay, so I've made a composition. Now we are going to be taking a greater look at pen tool. So yesterday we learned about pen tool. Okay, so this pen tool allows you to create a shape. So if I click on this, immediately you can see shape layer 1. So let's expand this to clearly see what we are doing, what we are dealing with. So we are going to be expanding our contents, and then we have shape 1, which is this shape. Okay, so let's continue making our shape. Okay, so as we know, when we don't click on shape 1 and then we just start making vertex on the space or dot on the space, then it will create shape 2. So in order to prevent that, we press Ctrl and G to undo what we've done just now. So I'm gonna click on shape 1 and start drawing my shape. So first of all, when we click on shape 1, we also need to click on this one, this point right over here. So it turns something, and then we are going to continue drawing our shape. So I'm gonna make a random shape. Okay, just make a shape which has much more vertices. Okay, so I'm gonna return to the first vertex from where I started drawing this shape and just click on it so that I can make a complete shape. Okay, so I can also add dots. So I completed making a shape, but let's say that I want to move this point. So if I do this, of course I can move this point from here. If I go from this, if I click on this vertex, then I can also move this one. But let's say that we want to move it from here. So what do we do? In order to start moving it, we can see a little plus on our pen tool just below it. If you can see it, then we just click it, and there we go. We made a vertex, an extra vertex on this point, so we can move it just like this or just like this. Now, so adding a vertex can be done with two ways. Either you can use pen tool. We are using pen tool, the normal pen tool over here. So I add vertex and I can move it just like this. But you can also add vertex by going to add vertex tool. So you can go here and just create a vertex which you can move directly by holding left key and just dragging it. Okay, now what we are going to do is do opposite of that. What I mean is we are going to delete the vertex. So how do we delete the vertex? Maybe we create a vertex accidentally, so we want to remove it. How do we do that? We go to this pen tool again and we select delete vertex tool. Okay, so let's say that I want to remove this one. Okay, I click on it and the vertex is removed. And I also want to delete this point, or maybe this point, and I left click on it, and there we go, we deleted. Now we have the idea to add vertex after we create a shape completely with the help of the normal pen tool. And then we have the idea of adding and deleting vertex or vertices. So the thing that is left is convert vertex tool. So how do we use this tool? We can use this tool for, making a curve in this vertex. As we already discussed about making curved shape, so we are just using our convert vertex tool. So what we are doing is we are converting our vertex. We are not only moving our vertex, but we are converting our vertex into a curved path or shape. Okay? As cool as that. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give a big thumbs up, and if you want to share this video, you can share it so that there will be more creative video creators, animators, and video illustrators. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in episode 7, where we will discuss about Mask, how to work with Mask, how to work text, how to work with text along with Mask. Okay, have a great day.